Let's talk about the latest launched OPPO smartphone Reno 13 5G with urban avant-garde aesthetic. Design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED curved display, 6.59 inches Full HD+, punch hole display, resolution of 1256 by 2760 pixels, approximately 93.4% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 460 ppi pixel density, 1200 nits peak brightness, HDR10 plus color quality support, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 26mm Sony LYT600 sensor wide-angle camera with aperture 1.8 and support optical image stabilization, along with 8 megapixel 15mm ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2 and with 2 megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 50 megapixel 21mm Samsung JN5 sensor wide-angle front facing camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 4K at 30/60 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Color OS 15 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.35 GHz single-core Cortex-A715 plus 3.2 GHz tri-core Cortex-A715 plus 2.2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A510, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8350 4nm chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC6 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB, 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM, with 8GB, 12GB of extended RAM, and 128GB, 256GB, 512GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage. No micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 157.9 by 74.73 by 7.24, 7.29 millimeters, and it weighs around 181 grams. And the color options: plume white, sky blue, luminous blue colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5600 mAh battery with 80-watt SuperVOOC fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features optical under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control support, IP66, IP68, IP69 dust and water resistant, and with multifunction NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OPPO Reno 13 5G has been priced for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 149,999 Pakistani rupees, while 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 37,999 Indian rupees, while 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 39,999 Indian rupees, while 12GB plus 512GB storage variant at 43,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this OPPO Reno 13 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.